Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can increase the startup speed of your Windows PC. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to want to open up your Task Manager. You can either right click on the taskbar down here and then click on Task Manager, or you can go to the Start menu by clicking on the Start button or the Windows key on your keyboard. Then typing into the search box Task Manager and then clicking on Task Manager. Once you've opened up your Task Manager, if you don't see any text buttons on the left hand side, click on this hamburger menu here and then you're going to see the names of the different sections. I want you to then click on Startup Apps. And this will contain a table of apps that open up when you turn on your PC. And there'll be a status by them. If they're disabled, that means they're not going to open up when you turn on your PC. If they're enabled, they're going to turn on when you turn on your PC. If you have too many apps trying to start when you turn on your PC, it's going to increase the amount of time it takes to boot up your PC. So basically, look through the list and think, do I need this app to turn on when I turn on my PC? So once you've decided on an app or apps that don't need to turn on when you turn on your PC, right click on them and then click on Disable. If you've made a mistake, you can right click on them and then click on Enable. Disabling some apps in here will help speed up how quickly your PC turns on. And that's all you have to do. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.